welcome back to the channel, Beautiful Creations. Yes, guys, I just want to share some information with you on why I wasn't really doing a lot of home decorating. Okay, a few months back, guys, my husband, myself, and my son was in a car accident, which we totaled my car, but the accident wasn't our fault, thank God. But it caused us to be in a whole lot of pain, and we was it was bad. But anywho, I just gave you like a lot of walkthroughs during that time because of the simple fact is that I had suffered from a whole lot of neck pain, which causes bad headaches. So we had to go through therapy to try to correct that. So I am better now, thank God. And this was months of going through the therapy to try to get my body and my muscles back to where they were. Yes. And I will show in the video some clips from our accident, and how the car was, because it totaled the car. If you look in a past video, you will see that I got a new vehicle. Yes, I got a new vehicle. But yes, guys, I always try to tell my kids and people that you always have to drive for the other people on the road as well, for a safety precaution, because the way how you drive, your limitations and what you do, but you don't know the next person. That just like what happened was, there was a car that did an illegal turn in front of us, and we had no way of stopping. But the good thing about it is we are here, we are alive, and we are well, and I thank God for that. Yes, it was a scare for us, a tremendous scare, for us, because we was on a major highway. So yes, I just, each time I even think about it now, I just thank God for His grace and His mercy of making it to a point where, we did not have to be hospitalized. It was no fatalities during that time for our party, and also the person who we hit. There was no fatalities in that. I just thank God for that. Yes. So guys, I just wanted to share that little information with you for the reason why I wasn't doing a whole lot of home decor, due to the fact of the injuries that took place, that I could not really lift and handle a whole lot of heavy objects and do a whole lot of movements. But I'm getting back into the swing of things, guys, because I did gave you 2 videos doing that prior that prior event, for as I gave you cleaning the refrigerator and also decorating the wall. I thank God that I am getting back into the swing of things. So guys, expect more from Beautiful Creations, guys. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button. And also hit that notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content, guys. New content. And also give my videos a thumbs up, because it really, really, really do help my channel, guys. Guys, I am on my first milestone of getting 500 subscribers. So I need for you guys to share this video, tell your friends about Beautiful Creations, so I can get to my first milestone. And I will be greatly appreciated for your support. So I am going to give you clips of the accident. And remember, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Yep.
Hello and welcome to Beautiful Creations. Hello and welcome to the channel, guys. We're at the hospital. We've been in a car accident, but everyone is okay. We're getting checked out. But my car is, well, my SUV is total. And I'm having, right now at this point, my head is hurting real, real bad. They're get ready to check out my neck. And my son, he's okay. He's dealing with his back and his side, so he got to get checked out as well. But guys, I will keep y'all informed of what's going on. I will keep y'all informed of what's going on. I'll check back in with you. Okay, guys, I would love you to say a prayer for us here. Thank God that it was no fatalities in this, but just looking at the vehicles, you would think it would be. But with God's grace and His mercy, He seed us through. So we are getting checked out at the hospital. Oh Lord, I'm in some pain now, but anyway, I just want your prayers, my subscribers, that we have a speedy recovery, and I will talk to y'all real soon, and I will keep y'all updated. Okay, guys, I am out here getting ready to take my personal items out of my car, and really and truly, this is in the daylight. Let me give you a sneak preview of everything. One moment. This is the car. Airbags and everything deployed. My daughter's helping me take things out of the car. I was eating them yesterday, so we got food and everything all over the car. Yes, this is how everything is here. This part. But yes, guys, this is how everything looks. With my car, and also the windshield and everything got cracked as well in the process. And my insurance covered everything. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm doing a voiceover on this. I just wanted just to say that we just have to be so very careful of other drivers, and I just thank God for allowing us to see another day, because I'm telling you, it is so surreal when you actually face an accident, especially when it comes out of nowhere and you have no control over it. Like, I was like, and my major concern was my husband and my son, making sure that they was okay, even though my husband was the driver. But we just have to be careful, like, for the other parties. We really have to be careful. And I am thanking God even now as I record this voiceover, just thanking him with what he brought us from. Like, this could have been a fatality that, it could have been all 5 lives could have been taken in a blink of an eye. So we just have to keep on praying and keep on just keep on praying, and telling God thank you. And yes, I look horrible, but I'd rather look horrible and have my life and be in beauty and asleep forever. So I'm just thankful at this point of my life and how God spared our lives, everybody's lives that was involved in the accident. So I will keep y'all informed on what is going on. Yes, it's been a tough trigger, and at this point now, even sitting here, I actually have a headache now, like, yes, right now. So guys, just stay tuned. Yes, guys, just stay tuned. I am going to give you more with beautiful creations. But anywho, thank y'all so much for just sticking by me and just watch what I do. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.